grinder with using carbon brush, working with carbon brush. Okay, if the carbon brush finish, must be replaced like this. See, remove the plug, okay, and remove the old one. See, then we will fix new one like that. Then fix like that the new one and plug it. Okay, then they have lock. This lock will put in the top like that. See, use the screwdriver and see like that. Then this one will plug it. Plug like that. Then we'll test. Then plug, we will test like that. Okay, not working. Must be test to the fuse like that. Fuse is okay. Then we will test the continuity of the cable.